Right, a fraction question. The denominators are non-alike. So the first thing we have to do is to make them alike. We need to give them common denominators. Now, I like 6 and 12 because if I multiply 6 by 2, I get to 12. So my common denominator is going to be 12, which means I leave this one alone because it's already got a denominator of 12. But this one here, to go from 1/6 to 12, I have to multiply by 2. Which means that if I multiply the denominator by 2, I also multiply the numerator by 2, which gets me here. And then I can add the numerators, but I leave the denominators alone. This is like saying 5 of something, add 12 of something is 7 of something. Here we are giving it our answer in the simplest form. 5, 8. Now I can see 15 and 80 are both in the 5 times table. Okay, the key here is that when we add, we do not add together the denominator. But when we multiply, we do. When we add, we have to have a common denominator. We cannot just add the 6th straight onto the 5/12ths. We have to change the 6ths into 12ths first. Here we just use it as it is. It says simplest form. You will lose a mark if you do not put it in its simplest form.